¿Cómo te sientes?
Stop recording, dude.
Shut up, Marcos. We are here.
Dude, stop. Oh, it's annoying.
Brenda sat here.